As a breastfeeding mom for 30 months, ang hirap talagang magbawas ng timbang. Lalo na kasi feel ko, lagi akong gutom. And syempre, love ko rin ang food. Pero nung nag-start mag-shift yung mindset ko from just losing weight to actually fixing my gut, everything started to change. With the help of Pillow Bread PH 3-day tummy reset, I realized na hindi pala about depriving yourself, but about eating clean, nourishing food that your body will thank you for. I feel lighter and more energized. My skin started to clear up. Yung tummy ache ko every night nawala na. And even during my period days, grabe, I usually struggle with dysmenorrhea pero no joke guys, this time hindi na sumasakit yung belly ko. And mentally, I also feel calmer and sharper. This reset truly reminded me na good health start and gut. And as a mom, this was the kind of reset I truly needed. Yes, thank you.